Assalamu alaikum students of class 6. I hope you're all doing well. In New Oxford Modern English, Workbook 6, we were on Lesson 6 poem Trespass by John Clare. Let's continue solving our exercise from page 64, Part E, Silent Letters. A silent letter is a letter that in a particular word does not correspond to any sound in word's pronunciation. We see or write that certain letter in our spellings, but we don't pronounce that letter. Here, question 1 is, can you spell the following words correctly? There is a silent letter in each one. Put a circle round the silent letter. Here we have a number of words in this box, and I have put circle round the letters that are silent, like W in wriggled, unwrap and to, B in comps and numb, G in bright, O in tortoise, T in watch, Y in prayer, and again W in wrist. Question 2. Use the following words in sentences of your own. Here we have this pair of words and some contractions that we use in our language. We need to make sentences of all of these words. There, the brown one is their house. भूरे रंग का या भूरा उनका घर है. There, the car is parked over there. कार वहाँ पार्क की गई है. They are going to Islamabad. वो इस्लामाबाद जा रहे हैं. They have bought a new house. उन्होंने एक नया घर खरीदा है या वो एक नया घर खरीद चुके हैं. They'll be here any minute. वो किसी भी लम्हे या किसी भी वक्त यहाँ होंगे. They had or they would. They had kept it a secret. उन्होंने इसे एक राज रखा. Now let's move on to part F, tenses. We have already read about tenses in detail. Let's revise them. We have present, past, and future tenses. The present tense of a verb tells that something is happening now. Verb का present tense ये बताता है कि कुछ अभी हो रहा है. Something is going on, something is happening. For example, I am eating the apple. मैं सेब खा रहा हूँ. The past tense of a verb tells that something already happened. Verb का past tense हमें ये बताता है कि कुछ already पहले से ही हो चुका है. For example, I ate the apple. मैंने सेब खाया. The future tense of a verb tells that something will happen later. Verb का future tense हमें ये बताता है कि कुछ बाद में होगा या मुस्तकबिल में होगा. For example, I will eat that apple later. मैं ये सेब बाद में खाऊंगा. These are the sentence structures we need to follow while writing about certain tenses. First of all, we need to put a subject. Then, these are the verb forms in all of these boxes which we need to remember. And by the end of the sentence, we write object. In simple present tense, we use first form of verb or first form of verb plus s or es. We add s or es to the first form of verb. In simple past, we use second form of verb. And in simple future tense, we use will, a helping verb, plus verb's first form. In present continuous tense, we use is, am, are as helping verbs plus verb's first form plus ing. And in past continuous tenses, we use was, were as helping verbs plus verb's first form plus ing. And in future continuous tense, we use will be as helping verb plus verb's first form plus ing. In present perfect tense, has or have are our helping verbs plus verb's third form is used. In past perfect tenses, had is our helping verb, again verb's third form or third form of the verb. In future perfect tense, we use will have as a helping verb and again we use third form of verb. Keeping all of these instructions in mind, let's solve question 1. Try to complete the following table. Remember the verb forms we have just learned. उन sentence structures को ज़हन में रखते हुए we'll be able to complete this table. Here the first verb is to sit. In past simple tense, second form of verb is used. Simple present tense, verb's first form plus s, and in the simple future tense, will plus first form of verb. Past continuous, was plus verb's first form plus ing. Present continuous, is plus verb's first form plus ing, and future continuous will be plus first form of verb plus ing. In past perfect tense, had plus third form of verb. Present perfect tense, has plus third form of verb. Future perfect tense will have plus third form of verb. So in this way you will be able to complete the whole table. Question 2 is underline the verbs in the following sentences. Write the tenses in the brackets. Use the abbreviations given. Here we are provided with these sentences. इन तमाम sentences में हमने verb को underline करना है. And noticing the form of verb, we'll be able to write the tense. But उस tense को लिखने के लिए we are provided with these abbreviations. Like for simple past we'll use SP, for simple present we'll use S dot capital P small r, simple future SF, past continuous PC, present continuous PRC, future continuous FC, past perfect PP, present perfect PR for present and P for perfect, future perfect FP. So this is how we'll be doing. So moving on to the part G, which is working with words. Here question 1 is, here are some words associated with the weather. Well, they are if you can unscramble them. All of these words are associated with weather. In this box we need to unscramble them. Like NAIR is actually rain, storm SMORT, and this word is thunder, dew, hail, lightning, mist, monsoon, sunshine, snow. Question 2. Join the words in column A to the words in column B to form new words. Here we'll join the words in such manner, and the final words will be underhand, midday, craftsman, myself, eyesight, outside, wonderfully, nothing. So that was all about part G. Here we are done with our exercise on workbook. You can note it on your own workbooks. That was all for today. Allah Hafiz.